Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried updating a game on Steam and got hit with that annoying corrupt update files error, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you 3 proven methods to fix it in just a few minutes, so make sure to watch till the end. And if this helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes every week. Alright, let's jump right into the first fix. Sometimes Steam's cache gets overloaded with old or broken files, which can mess up updates. Here's how to fix it. Open your Steam app, go to Settings, then select Downloads. Now, click on Clear Download Cache and confirm it. Steam will automatically restart, and this simple step often clears up minor corruption issues right away. If that doesn't do the trick, let's move on to the next solution. This folder holds all your installed games, and sometimes it can develop small file errors. To fix it, go to Steam Settings Storage. Click the 3 dots next to your main storage drive, then select Repair Library folder. Steam will take a minute or two to scan and repair any broken data. Once done, try updating your game again. It might just work perfectly now. Still seeing the error? Then it's time for our final and most effective fix. This step checks your game's files and automatically replaces anything corrupted. In your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble. Select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish scanning. It usually takes a few minutes. Once done, Steam will re-download any damaged files, and your update should finally work without errors. And that's it. These 3 steps, clearing the cache, repairing the library, and verifying game files, should fix almost every corrupt update files issue on Steam. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and and drop a comment letting me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.